How to view and clear your Spotify listening history. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of this channel. In this video, we're gonna dive into the way that you can view and clear your Spotify listening history on your Spotify account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up your Spotify app. Now whenever you're on the home screen of Spotify and if you scroll down a bit, you can see a section of recently played. But however, this section only shows playlist or artists that you listen to. It does not show individual songs. Now to view the individual songs, on the top you'll see three options: the notifications, the timer icon and the settings icon. You just need to tap on the timer or this clock icon, and once you do, you'll be able to view individual songs that you listen to. It is also categorized by date, so you can know exactly when you played the last song. Now that's the part of viewing your listening history, but however, in the section of clearing it, you cannot remove the existing history that you already have. But however, there is a way that you can play anonymously so that other people won't be able to view your listening history. To do that, tap on the settings icon on the top right. From your settings, if you scroll down, under socials, you'll see an option of private sessions. So it says start a private session to listen anonymously. So you just need to toggle this option on, and from now any songs that you listen to will be made anonymous. And your followers won't be able to see your listening activity on your Spotify account. So that's the only thing that you can do in terms of clearing out and listening anonymously on Spotify. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.